How to delete a Telegram account permanently on a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Telegram account permanently on a laptop. First, go to my.telegram.org/auth in your web browser. You will need to enter your phone number associated with your Telegram account. After that, enter the confirmation code sent to your Telegram app to verify your identity. Alternatively, to delete the Telegram app from your laptop, search for the Telegram app using the Start menu on your computer. In the Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Apps from the left side menu. Next, click on Installed Apps and search for Telegram in the list. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to Telegram and select Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. As you can see, Telegram is now deleted from your laptop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.